I'd be curious to hear about your formula for writing a song, your recipe for writing a song. I mean, do you write music first and then write lyrics to the music, or do you write the lyrics first and then write the music to the lyrics, or you just do a combination of things, or do you pick what makes you feel good, or yeah?
Well, there really isn't a form. I mean, if you learn the standards, there's, you know, an intro, a verse, a B section, a chorus, a re-intro, a verse, a B section, a chorus, a bridge, a solo, and out. But the inspiration for a lyric was like, it doesn't have to happen, right? So many people write music and they have no lyric. They might have a chorus line and they'll keep singing the chorus, and then they have to work on what the words would be. There really isn't a form where you can say, this is how you write a hit and this is the only way it'll ever be written. Because say American Pie, which was like 9 minutes long or whatever, you can name the songs that weren't. There isn't a form. You just have to not be afraid to keep working on it, because that's the key that's gonna make it happen, is don't be afraid to keep working it. I don't think there's a like Diane Warren, who's a very famous songwriter. She coined the phrase, don't bore us, get to the chorus. And she said, if you write a song and within 30 seconds you're not in the first chorus, you're an idiot, you're not a songwriter, blah, 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 blah. But she's been so successful for doing it that way, that might be a way to think about taking that approach. Don't be afraid to rip off another song just to learn. Don't put it out. Just like take a song that you love and go, okay, there's this, and kind of copy that, but in your own way. And the next thing you know, that form is going to take over, and that's going to start being part of your DNA in writing a song, be it a hit or not a hit. He said I covered it. Whew, thank God.